welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got an unboxing today. Now in the past I have done an unboxing of some diamond painting pens that I got from another company, not relevant in relation to this company. So anyway, I've got some diamond painting pens, love them. Did see on Facebook that there were a few other companies about. One of them is called BFF diamond painting pens, or diamond pens. BFF diamond painting pens. And they do things a little bit differently. You can still order them directly, but they also do what's called pen drops. And you comment on it and say my BFF, and if your number's the randomly drawn number, you get to buy your new BFF. So I had a go on a few, and then I was successful in winning a BFF. So I thought I'd show it to you. So they do tend to put the price up, that they're going to be in dollars, and that includes shipping in the States. You then would pay extra for international shipping. So I think this one was $30 including the shipping, but then I paid an extra £9.25 to get it shipped to the UK. $9.25, sorry. So for $39.25, when I'd paid by PayPal, it worked out at £31.47 for the pen. Not the cheapest, but pens are nice. However, I then did have to pay VAT. So you don't pay customs over a certain amount, I can't remember what it is, but you do have to pay VAT on anything that's over $15, over £15, sorry, too many currencies. Anything over £15 that's not a gift, you have to pay VAT. So the only VAT was £1.49, which is not bad. But then of course Royal Mail charge you £8 for the privilege. So I did pay an extra £9.49. So it does turn out to be a very expensive BFF. But anyway, it's here and it's mine. So let's have a look. So we come in a jiffy bag, and then we come wrapped up, and that's that open. So this is my new BFF. So let's have a look. It's very well wrapped in bubble wrap, that's for sure, and it's taped up. And then I think we might just cut the bubble wrap, because there is tape across it in a couple of different places. Ooh, poppity pop. Let's have a look. And then we are wrapped in what looks like a king size tissue, with tape around, but let's get in it. And this is my BFF. So on this group you do get to pick what tips you want. So I did choose 2 single places. The reason being is these other tips I tend to use, I got a pack of 100. So I can always remove one of these and put in a tip, but they came with tips, so you could pick which ones you wanted. And this is sort of reminds me of sort of a bit of coffee and a bit of dark fruits. They only tend to, I've only seen them particularly do one shape, but I thought it would be nice to try out this different shape. How easy do these come out? Okay, they're not going to come out by me pulling them, so I think I'd need to do pliers if I wanted to switch the tips, but either way it means no matter which way you pick up your pen, it works. So I thought I'd show you this. I think it's very nice. Gives you an option of other places that you can have a look. You always get to see these before, well, the way I got it, so by clicking my BFF, you're getting to see the picture of the pen all made up before you decide to buy. But I thought I'd show you what my BFF looks like. I'm sure I'll be using this on future projects. I am very much liking these bigger diamond painting pens. I am finding them rather nice. I'm not particularly fussy to what shape they are, but I am finding them rather nice. So I've got a new one. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me while I unbox my new BFF, and I will speak to you all again soon.